Hey everyone, for today's design I painted these galaxy butterfly wing nails. As always, I started by applying a base coat to all of my nails. I then painted them with a black polish and applied a latex barrier around my nails to help with cleanup. Once everything was dry, I tore up a makeup sponge and used the pieces to sponge the colors of the galaxy onto my nails. I started with a dark blue polish, adding different stripes of it to each nail. I then added some lighter blue, coral, and peach, and then removed the latex. For the stars, I added 2 coats of a scattered holographic top coat. Once it had dried, I used white acrylic paint and a detail brush to add some larger dots, and then I painted crosses for the biggest stars. After the galaxy base was complete, I used black paint and my detail brush to add the butterfly wings. In the corner of each nail, I drew a semicircle before outlining the entire nail. I then separated each nail with 4 diagonal lines starting at one corner and connecting to the semicircle. I then rounded all the corners, leaving the middle section the longest and shortening the other sections as I moved outwards. I finished up by filling in the outer parts of the wings and rounding the edges near the semicircle. To finish up, I used white paint to add a series of small dots to the outer edges of the wings. Finally, I added a top coat to seal my design. These galaxy-themed butterfly nails were one of my favorite designs that I've done lately, so I hope you all liked them as much as I did.